So here's the car. This is the driver's side that I told you about. As you can see, it's just a little bit duller than if I come around this side. Sorry, kind of shaky because I'm on a hill. That's that. And then on the inside, and here's the inside. Up in. But here's the sunroof. Talking about, so yeah, it slides back and it functions. But it's just a little thing on the track. So, anyways, everything else functions. Yeah, everything else works okay. Anyways, back here. Anyways, I hope this helps. Oh, here's the tent. You can see right there.